know what is making money online? Don't worry if you have no idea about it. I will explain you some of the steps to make you understand about making money online. In simple words, making money online is the way of earning money through online. It is the way of doing online business. Nowadays, online business are very famous throughout the world. You can buy and sell everything in online. Most of the people are not going to any shops to sell or buy. They are ordering everything in online and they are getting their needs throughout home delivery. So all over the world, even shopping is done through online. I hope now you can understand why you can make huge amount of profit from online business. The internet has tons of opportunities available for all the people to earn money through online. But the thing is, there is no proper guidance for them to teach right from the beginning. Do not worry, I will explain you each and everything. Many people want to make some extra income by working either online or offline to manage their family monthly budget financially. So online business is the way to manage their budget financially. You can earn more by doing online business. You can do online business from home and you don't want to spend all your time with your online business. You can spend your free time to do it. Like other business, you don't want to move here and there. You can earn it by sitting in one place, so you will not get tired. You can sit calm and make money online. I hope now you got some idea about the benefits and the importance in making money in online. In the next lecture, I will discuss with you about the different types of online business.